hope we covered that smoke alarm.
Everybody stay calm. That's the guy that stole all my honey. Get him.
Oh. Hey, whoa. Do you guys want some honey?
G'day, Brian, that bee guy here. So we've got another bee removal. This one's pretty exciting. It's a bit challenging. It's in a ceiling space of an old hotel. This is the Montague Hotel, built in 1891. It's a beautiful old historic building in South Brisbane. It's home to a cool little bar called It's Still a Secret, which is a funky little bar. Cool live music venue, really fun place. And so we've got bees in the ceiling space, or ceiling cavity. So it is hot. It is almost summer, and it is stinking hot up here. We've set up a platform. We've got the bee vacuum all set up, ready to go. And so far the bees have been okay. Sting count so far is already 1. Just getting set up. So yeah, it's going to be fun. It's really squeezy. It's going to be hot and sticky, and hopefully the bees are friendly. So we'll get into it. All that honey. Fantastic. It's definitely not a job for everyone.
No.
Alright, what a mission. We're getting through it. We've got 1 bucket full of honey already, which is a 20-litre bucket, and there's still bucket loads to go. Yeah, rather challenging, rather awkward. Sting count 14, but most of that is accidentally squashing bees. Yeah, what a mission. But at least I get to lay down on the job. Well, we're getting through it, and it's a bit of fun. Yeah, something different.
Three weeks later.
Alright, so today's part 2. We are back at the Montague Hotel. So last time we were up in the ceiling space, hot as, and what we thought was the hive was just the honey storage. It was massive. We got 3 buckets of honey, and we got to the end of all the honey and realized, we haven't found a brood. So we've discovered that there's a cavity about 400 or 500 wide, which we couldn't access from the roof space, which is where all the brood will be. So today we are inside. We're going to be taking down the ceiling and accessing the rest of the hive, which is the brood. So hopefully it's not too big. Hopefully they're friendly bees.
So when was this place built?
1891. So it's got some history.
Any ghosts?
Probably.
The ghost of a few dead bees though, yeah?
Oh.
In here.
Yes, there were thousands of dead bees on the ground in this room. So the entrance is outside. It's coming in a drain pipe for the stormwater.
Did you get a good look at that last time?
No.
Yeah, right.
No, you need to get your drone up there.
Yeah, have a look. Sweet.
So the plan of attack is we'll go fire up the smoker, pull this down, and then we'll have to make a cut while the hive is open. So hopefully that doesn't upset the bees too much. Alright, we are preemptively taking down the smoke alarm. hardwired in. So the fire brigade might get called if smoke alarm goes off. Oops, we don't want that to happen.
Sure you don't want to do the plastic bag idea?
I really don't.
Plastic bag?
Oh, I've got a small screwdriver in my car. I can undo the terminals.
Can you tell me what's wrong with my plastic bag idea?
Alright, we'll do it.
I think it's a good idea. I hope we covered that smoke alarm nice and properly.
Yes, there's a smoke alarm in the room, even though it's an old hotel and not used anymore. There's still a wired-in smoke alarm, and we couldn't unplug it, so we've covered it up with a plastic bag. So fingers crossed the smoke alarm doesn't go off.
Whose idea was that, Ryan?
Cameraman, great idea. Alright, let's get it.
You can't jiggle it out.
Go. So here's where we were. You can even see where we scraped all the old honeycomb off. Oh, this is brand new. They've been busy.
Do they remember you?
That's a good question. You might think, that's the guy that stole all my honey. Get him! Alright, we're getting somewhere. It's a very dark comb. It's amazing how calm they are, considering all the banging I'm doing. So this is where we could get to when we were up in the ceiling space. So this is all the old comb. Hopefully it doesn't go any further than that. We'll soon see when we pull it all apart. Everybody stay calm. Didn't seem to upset them too much. Oh, amazingly calm bees.
So you said you rated the honey before. How much did you get?
The 3 buckets worth of honeycomb. It's probably at least 40 kilos of honey. Yeah.
Wow.
Massive.
Huh.
Wow. It's all rotten. But amazing how friendly they've been so far, considering the soaring and banging and crashing. Yeah, they're beautiful friendly bees. No stings. Fingers crossed. So last sting count, oh man, that was terrible. Because I was laying on my stomach, half covered in honey, you know, cutting and scraping and accidentally squashing bees with my elbow and arms, and I think the sting count was 33 to me and 11 to the cameraman. Oh man, it was tough.
Different cameraman, I would have made way more noise. So.
That's true. That's true.
Well, you said bees live for 6 weeks or something, right, in summer?
Yeah.
And they can recognize human faces or something.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you're going to be the target more than me, hopefully.
Yeah, they won't look for you. All right, we will have a clean up here. Have a big clean up. We made a lot of mess. So we're gonna start vacuuming. We've got the bee vacuum set up. We've got 2 boxes on the bee vacuum, pre-empting that it's a massive hive with more bees that would fit in 1 box. So we've got a bee vacuum on the ground. We've got an extra long hose. We're going to vacuum up the bees that are on the new honeycomb, and then any bees we can't get to on there, we're going to smoke them and run them off, and then we're going to cut out the new honeycomb first, and then start at this end and work our way back. So here goes. Oh, 1 sting. Sting number 1. So you're going to try and get it out. It was a bad idea, wasn't it? Hurry up. Kind of hurts.
You have pain receptors, right? So they can't really change their mind once they've done that, right?
Sometimes they can. Generally, they go round. Like she did, but just keep going. And sometimes they can get it out, but it doesn't often happen. But she's in a world of trouble. Usually, it doesn't take this long.
What if you had a blade and just whoosh, get her clean so she could keep her butt? Oh, too late.
She's gonna die.
Yep, there I can see it.
See
Oh,
it
it's
pumping?
pumping. Yeah. What's the best way to get it out?
Just scratch it. So you get your nail underneath it.
Is that it now?
That's it.
Sweet.
Back to work.
You got hit twice.
Yeah, twice. Twice.
Do you just get another one while you're on the phone?
I was just on the phone to the owner and just got nailed in the arm. That's number 7. I think it's time for some smoke. Got hit again. My arm.
Lucky I just started recording.
That's number 8. So this is the new honeycomb. See how white it is? Fresh as. Ah! In the nose.
Oh, dude, you right?
Number 9.
Number 9.
That one hurt. Woo!
Well done.
Sting update is 12.
12. Ouch.
Cameraman 0.
The way it should be. Watch out. Oh, hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. You guys alright? Yeah. It's just this. It's just this, yeah. Did the alarm go off? That's a bit awkward. Where are the bees? In the ceiling up here. Yeah, yeah, there's heaps of them. Do you guys want some honey? Hello. Sorry about that.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
This makes it entertaining. We're actually filming this video, so
Give them a tour.
you guys are going to be famous.
Oh, okay, yeah. Everyone come up now.
The whole crew's coming up.
Oh wow. So cool.
Yeah.
How many would be up there?
How many bees?
Yeah.
Oh, this is massive. There'll be 40, 50,000 bees. Wow.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's huge. And no one can tell how old it is because the owner of the bar downstairs, she's been there for like 3.5 years. And the bees have been there the whole time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so it's older than that. So see this? Some of it's white,
Yeah.
it's brand new, and some of it's really dark.
Yeah.
That's the really old stuff.
Hey, so what do you have smoking outside? Just some smoke.
I'll show you.
The offending implement there. Yeah, yeah.
I think that's the actual name for it. That's what he said.
Exactly.
Alright, well, you get no stress.
Yeah.
All good, mate. Have fun.
Yes,
Cheers, mate.
How often do you guys get stumped?
Today I'm up to number 12.
Hey!
And I'm at a safe distance and I'm on 0. So it's
Yeah. Good luck.
Cheers.
Wow, that makes it entertaining. Oh well, back to work. Still no sign of the clean.
a few lessons learned about fire safety. There's no quick way to do this, is there?
Oh no, I wish there was. This is why the outdoor jobs are great, because there's no cleanup. Doesn't matter if you leak honey all over the grass.
Yeah. $16.
16?
Are you bleeding?
Bleeding. Ah, one under the armpit. Oh. Oh. 17.
So is this better than crawling in the ceiling space?
Oh, I was thinking that a minute ago. Yes, but it's still rather tricky. It's still, yeah, stupidly difficult and awkward. We've been vacuuming and smoking the bees this way and pulling out the brood, so hopefully we've run them all that way and there's no bees, you know, up in here. It looks really quiet, so I think our plans work. So give me the camera, I'll show you. So far so good. Still lots of bees. That one hurts. Got stung under the shirt, just out of the blue, and really hurt. Oh, some hurt way more than others. It's funny. Oh, I think we're up to 18. Oh yeah, and I got one on my finger shortly after. 19. Oh. We're nearly there. It's 5:30. Been going since, I don't know what time we got here. Traffic was crazy. It was like 9-ish by the time we got here. Set up and everything, so yeah, big day.
Two hours later.
Are we nearly finished?
Are we there yet? Oh man, what a mission. The last bit of honey is so stuck in there. I'm literally having to pull it out piece by piece.
It's pretty gross too.
Well, it's beautiful old dark honey. It's quite rich taste, but just getting it out is what a mission. So yeah, we're on the home stretch.
So if we get a statistics update, how many stings have you had?
I think it's 21.
And I'm on
And
0. That's good.
Cameraman 0.
Yep.
We gotta change that.
How many drones have you crashed today?
Me? Oh, that'll be 0.
Well, that's 1 for me. So I'm not having the best day over here. So. Yes, I do want a glass of wine, actually, Ryan, just to make me feel better after something that just happened that may be a little bit sad.
Oh no. Bow, bow. What happened?
Yeah, so Ryan insisted that I get a shot of the expanding foam.
I asked nicely. So I wanted to see if we'd blocked up the entrance. So we pumped the entrance full of expanding foam from the inside, from what I could get to. It was a bit far away. If you pan up there, you'll be able to see.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yep.
So it looks like it's blocked up from in here, but I wanted to check on the outside, and it's impossible to get to.
Because flying a drone is so easy, you just thought you'd ask me to go and do that, and
Yeah, absolutely. We have the technology. Or have.
So I'm a little bit heartbroken. So if you'd like to donate to the Save the Ryan the Beehive Drone Fund, we'll flash a link on the screen.
Go fund me for a new drone.
Yeah, yeah.
One with collision detection.
Ideally, yeah. Don't mutilate the dead body of my drone, dude.
But good news, we got the shot we wanted.
You're horrible.
yeah, I think they've been avoiding dealing with this for a very long time.
And after today, I can see why you'd want to avoid doing this. So
Oh.
it's horrible.
Who would want to do this for a living? This is insane.
But the option, like the alternative, like to kill them or whatever, would just make a big, like
It'd be a nightmare.
100 kilos of honey in the ceiling and poison in it, and God knows what else. Yeah.
And 50,000 rotten dead bees. The smell of dead bees is absolutely putrid. It's like worse than a dead rat or a dead possum. It is so bad. It's literally like gag-worthy bad. It's
Yeah, wow.
awful. Yeah, but shout out to the Murphy family who own this beautiful old building for wanting to save the bees. They've done the right thing and rescued the bees. Well, yeah, rescued them from the pest guy.
Yeah.
And they're not going to get destroyed, so we're rehoming them.
So, do you do this job for the glamour of it all, Ryan? Is that what this is?
Absolutely. The glamour, yeah. Oh man, this is insane. Who would do this? This has probably been one of the messiest. Every job in a ceiling that's old and got honey in it is always messy, but this has been extra messy because there's a ton of rotten wood that's full of cockroach, probably termites and rot and old honey and yeah. Alright, we are done. What a long day. It's 10:30. We did stop for dinner. There is a bar downstairs. They cooked us an amazing meal and we had some beers. And now we're just back to clean up and we've vacuumed up all the stragglers. This has been massive. This was 2 days, so I think we were at it for about total 12 hours today. And the other time when we were up in the ceiling space, including building all the platform and everything, that was probably another 8 to 10 hours. So yeah, massive job. So if you see bees going in and out of your wall, get onto it early.
We want to thanks to the fire department today for their diligent response.
Luckily, it wasn't my fault, the fire brigade. Someone noticed us using the smoker on the balcony, getting the smoker going on the balcony and called the fire brigade. Luckily it wasn't the smoke alarm that alarmed them, or else it would have been me fitting the bill. So I'm very happy about that. So they were fantastic. They had a good laugh. So yeah, that's another one from Ryan, that bee guy. We will do an update of what's happening with the bees to see if they're healthy and well. Hope you enjoyed this. Hit the subscribe button, it really helps. And hit the like button, and I'll be making more. See you on the next one.